Hi, my name's Taylor, and this is a real review from a real person. So, these are my teeth, and I never really liked them. They have spaces in them, and they're pretty little. So one day I was online, and I saw an ad for Instasmile. Clicked on it, thought, oh wow, this is too good to be true. I looked up all the videos, all the reviews. I saw nothing but positive comments. So I ordered mine. I got a top and a bottom. I got the classic A1. And I sent the mold in about 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, I got my product back. Absolutely amazing. Seriously, like, I didn't know that a smile would make me feel that much better. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. I'll just show you. So, also, the staff, I have to say before I do this, is amazing. And they're funny too, so that helps. But it came in this little case, so, I can put that in my purse, take it with me so I don't put them in my pocket, actually lose them or something. I'm going to put these in. I'll be right back. All right. Look at that difference. Sorry about the face, but it's perfect on the gum line. Now, of course, when you first do get it, you have a little bit of a lisp, but I'm completely used to it now. And now when I don't wear them, I have a lisp. So it really works out. But yeah, absolutely love it. And I got a warranty on them. They offer that, which is really awesome. And I can eat and drink with them as long as it's not hard food. And I'm really happy. So Instasmile is great. If you're thinking about doing it, just do it. Look at this. I know. Thanks for listening to my review. Bye.